is Guitar Lessons. This week's episode of the D Chord.
Hello. Welcome to this week's episode. This is a very exciting episode this week for us together as a collective because this week's episode is the D chord. I knew you were excited. I was excited. Everybody is excited about the D chord. It's it says it's 26 degrees, but it's so humid here. It's been incredibly hot for the last few days, so I'm just like sweating profusely. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know if I look shiny, that's the reason. And shall we begin? Let's do it. Hello. And we're back. And I've got my trusty acoustic guitar here. Old, dependable, always in tune, and always smells great because of that nitrocellulose lacquer that we all love for its benefits with its looks as it ages slowly through time, just like a good pair of jeans or a good pair of boots. Get a nice patina on the surface. Enough about patinas, though. We're here to learn about the D chord. And the first thing that you need to know about the D chord is you don't talk about the D chord. No, I'm kidding. All right. First thing is, we're not going to be playing. We are not going to be playing the bottom two strings. So these two, we don't play those. Just don't even touch them with your pick. I recommend. And what I do is I don't even look at those strings when I'm playing the D chord because I just don't want to get, confused with the extra strings that are there. Anyways, moving along. The next thing is the third string. The third lowest string, which happens to also be the D note. Listen to this. Okay? That's the first note of our D chord. Do you hear that? Do you hear the woody tones? The tone woods? The woody tone woods? There's so much tone and wood in that note. Yes. Fantastic. We're going to move right along now. Quickly. As molasses. The next note is going to be... Alright, so for the next note here, I'm going to be using my index finger and pressing down on the second fret of the third highest string. And that sounds like this. So we got two notes so far. Sounds like a song. Moving right along here. I'm going to be using my third finger, okay? And I'm going to be pressing it down on the third fret of the second highest string here. So that sounds like this. Do you hear those tone woods? The tone woods are singing to me. I can feel them. Okay. And then the last note here of the D chord, and probably one of my favorite notes of all time. I don't know the name of it. I just know that it's going to be on the highest string on the second fret, and I use my middle finger, which I will not put up to the screen right now because I like you, and I wouldn't do that. Okay? So here we go. Okay, second fret, highest string. Da, 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 da. Okay, next, the entire chord. Here we go. Amazing. Such an angelic sounding chord, is it not? Angelic. So the next thing I wanted to talk about here before the video ends is so far we've learned 3 chords if you followed along with the episodes, because this is the 3rd episode of the series. So we first learned the G chord, and then we learned the C chord, and now we know the D chord. Alright, so we got all 3 of those chords, so we could easily create a song. I'm going to randomly pick these chords together, and I'll make a song. So I'll start with, how about C, G, and D? See if that sounds good. And it will. Alright, well, yeah, those chords sound good together. I could even switch it up and just do like D, G, C. Sweating profusely now. It is getting warm in here. So I just wanted to wrap this up and just say thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot and learned how to play the D chord. And if the video was, too fast, too much information too quick, you can always feel free to pause the video at any time. You can stop it and slow it down if you need to. But Chi-Chi and I are just here, chilling out, sweating, playing some guitar, having some scotch. And thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed the video, like it and subscribe if you would like to also do that. And share this video with any of your friends or family that wanted to learn how to play the D chord. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye, Chi-Chi. Goodbye.